I want to do something different today with this hairstyle. So the plan is to transform this Afro look into mini twist. I want to see what it will look like because this hair looks realistic. Like, this is the most realistic kinky extensions that I've ever used. This is crochet hair, by the way. So I really want to see what it will look like. I really want to see what it will look like. I didn't leave too much of my natural hair out. I just left a little bit of my natural hair out here. So I really can't wait to see what this will look like. So let's get straight into it. Latte, get some latte. Two braids done, a whole lot to go. Oh, this is too big. Water, leave-in conditioner, detangle, then twist. Almost done with this side. One more twist to go. Water, leave-in conditioner, separate hair, then twist. I love how it looks so far. It looks just like mini twists. The kinky extensions. I can't wait to finish, you guys. This is like a whole arm workout, okay? This is not that simple to do because it's a lot. The hair is a lot, so I need to take my time and twist it. I then get the perfect twist. Done with this part. It looks really good. Ooh, that twist looks juicy.
speed in the black. Nobody driving. We're in the back to the end of the world. Tides will rise, tides will fall with the gravity of you to the end of the world. Fortune teller, deck in her hand. Fool arcana lifts off the land. The gravity of you. The gravity of you. Tides will rise, tides will fall. It'll always be true. Tides will rise, tides will fall. There's nothing we can do. How many suns we don't know. Our supernova tells us when we have to go. To the end of the world.
Now just look at the final results of this hair. I still can't believe I was able to transform my Afro kinky into this juicy mini twist. This looks just like my natural hair. Look at it. I even thought the cornrows would be showing at the back, but as you can see, it is fully covered up. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and also share for me. You guys, please engage on my videos for me. I would really appreciate it. Don't leave without subscribing, and also don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you. Bye. Mwah.